Starbucks. Got my cup of ice here. My Starbucks double shot espresso and cream. These are really good. It's a really hot day outside today, so I really didn't want to drink any hot coffee. So this is what I do usually for my cold coffee. And I take these to work with me as well because they give me that, usually I drink these in the afternoon because they give me that extra energy and that boost. So yeah, pull up. So you guys, I actually was able to find the time to work on my own business, some things that I had to do for my business. And because, quite often what happens is even when I work from home, I find myself working on my job-related responsibilities like grading papers, preparing for my next class, things of that nature. And it's just really hard finding a balance, with work and my own business related goals. But that's something I need to work on. And I'll get there eventually, especially as my business grows. Obviously, I'm going to have to put more energy towards it. But, sometimes, it takes, time and effort and things like that to even get to that point to get it to grow. So I'm still working on that and finding that balance. So, I'll get there eventually. But it felt so good to be able to focus on my own personal goals and business endeavors. So you guys, I just wanted to come to you guys and show you really quick how I do my nail polish routine. I probably told you guys before that I work in the medical field. I work in a doctor's office, and also I teach the medical assisting program. So I work at a education center. I work at a medical assisting school. And what are you working at? No, lay down. And so basically, we have to the instructors, we have to lead by example. And a lot of offices, not a lot, it's more common for offices now to accept like acrylics and polish and tattoos and piercings and things of that nature. Is not frowned upon as it once was years and years ago. It's more of a common thing now for people to have piercings and things like that in the medical profession. I have worked with a couple doctors that has had, small tiny nose piercings or whatever the case may be. But, jumping into the medical field, we have to lead by example, and we have to prepare our students for, the most extreme scenario as far as, offices that may not allow certain things, piercings, tattoos. Since we tell them that at the school they're not allowed to wear acrylics and polish and things of that nature, instructors, we follow suit. So basically, I don't get acrylics. I don't get my nails done. So I do them at home myself on the weekend. A lot of times I'll do the gel polish. That way I can peel it off, because usually I have like a 3 or 4 day week before I have to go back to the school. I'll be off like 3 to 4 days a week. So when I do the gel polish, that gives me enough time to wear it and then be able to take it off within a few days. But acrylics, you can't do that. Or I just usually do my So these are actually press-ons in this picture. Again, it's a good alternative. I can wear them for a few days and remove them very easily. And this next picture is my gel nails that I actually did myself. I have the UV light and the full entire kit, and these are my toes. These are gel on my toes, and I did these myself as well. I'm sorry. So the only disadvantage to using this is you literally have to do them every day. Because you guys know how regular nail polish chip off. So yes, this chips off very, very easily. But I'm okay with that. It's super easy. That's why I always get the fast dry, so I don't have to wait hours to, for it to dry. Because if you use regular nail polish, if you guys know, it can take a really long time for regular nail polish to dry. But this is fast dry, and you can get it in a variety of colors. So I'm actually needing to order more colors offline. I'm gonna probably do that tonight, because yeah, it's been a while. So usually what I do is I just go over with some nail polish remover or alcohol to get any oils off, and that'll help this stick a little better. Also, I have one long nail. I need to cut it, but I don't think I have any. Yeah, I don't have any nail clippers down here, so I'm not gonna look for any. So it is what it is. Every time because all my other nails were pretty long, but they mostly broke off. So, but yeah, you guys, it's kind of, a bummer that I cannot wear acrylic nails anymore, but my coin is more important than that. And I have a little alternative, which is my nail polish or my gelish. And I do have the entire gel kit that I do my toes and my nails with, and it gives that nice shiny glossy look, and I really I love using that. So if I want something that's longer lasting than just the regular nail polish, then I'll go that route. So like if I'm going on vacation or out of town or something, I will get acrylics. Like for example, in June we're going to be going to Texas for a week or so. So I'm going to be off for I took like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks off. So I will most likely get acrylics during that time. So, because I won't be going to work. So, but other than that, just acrylics regularly on a regular basis, I do not do for that reason alone. And like I said, I used to be, and it saves a lot of money actually that I don't get acrylics. So that is the advantage to not wearing acrylics, but the disadvantage is, I can't keep my nails done. But instead of just going plain Jane and not having anything, this is my technique, my method. This is what I do to resolve that issue. So I still have my gown on. I just need to go basically throw my clothes on. I don't know if I'm gonna leave my hair like this in this is this turning white? Oh, I gotta fix that. See, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna leave my hair like this. I'm probably end up changing my hairstyle, but y'all see, because I'm gonna be vlogging pretty much for the day. So get these nails together. Time to get these nails together because they are plain Jane. Anyways, nail time. Anyways, you guys, it's such a beautiful day. Like I said, the weather is definitely starting to break. I don't know how warm it is outside, but the sun is definitely shining. It's definitely out. And I really hope this is a good angle and this lighting is okay, because this is not the angle I usually record from when I record in here. This is a room I always record in, but I don't always record from this angle. So I really hope that this is this lighting is okay. But again, y'all, this is basic. I don't even really know why I'm showing y'all this, but whatever. And I really need some new colors, really badly. I need some new colors, you guys. as you guys can see, we ended up going to the casino. It was about 12 of us. Out of the 12, about 9 of us ended up hitting. None significant, just a little something. But out of all of us, my mom ended up winning the most. She won like 500. I walked away with about $215 richer. So any little thing helps. But as usual, you guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Thanks for the support. And continue watching my videos. Holla at your girl.